Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to change website tagline on WordPress. The first thing you need to do, once in your WordPress admin page, you are going to go down to the bottom left hand corner and you are going to hover over Settings. Then you are going to select General. After selecting General, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, you can simply scroll down and you will see tagline right below site title. You are going to tap on the tagline that you have right there. And from here, you can simply clear the current tagline and you can add whatever you want. So for example, I could delete this right here. And then after doing that, you'll simply scroll down and you'll tap on Save Changes at the bottom of the page, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.